Uh, Hi, I'm back with another day. So today is day three of the calculation drills. I've already opened the app. This is the 1PYQ app. The app is available on iOS and on Android. You can download it from the Play Store as well as the App Store. So without further ado, I'm gonna click on calculation drills. I will quickly give everybody a small heads up that today I'll be going particularly slow. The reason is that I wish to teach you a few new concepts. Okay, so before that, I would like to do a warm up session with you. In warm up session, we do a few quick questions. Okay, we do a few quick questions. I've already taught you how to add two-digit numbers together with with like first adding the tens and then adding the ones. Okay, first the tens digit and then the ones digit. So while doing that, 2 plus 6 is 8, 80 plus 14 is 94. Forward, 8 plus 6 is 14, 140 plus 8 is 148. 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus or 150 plus 11 is 161. 7 plus 5 is 12, 12, 120 plus 11 is 131. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 103, or 100 plus 3 is 103. 9 plus 9 is 18, 180 plus 2 is 182. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 90 plus 16 is 106. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 88. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 80 plus 13 is 93. Okay, by mistake we came out 93. Yeah. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 11 is 101, or 90 plus 11 is 101. 2 plus 4 is 6, 60 plus 11 is 71. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 99. 6 plus 7 is 13, 130 plus 11 is 141. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 69. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 126. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 84. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 102. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 38. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 1110. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 13, or this is equal to 163. No, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 12. Okay, 152, I believe. 162? Am I that wrong? Yeah, that was 162. 5 plus 3 is 8, 80 plus 13 is 93. Right? 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 94. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 with 4 is 94. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 with 5 is 115. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 and 6 is 96. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 8 is 178. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 129. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 79. 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 114. Okay, so I think we've done enough. Let's do 5 more and then we're gonna switch. 6 more and then we're gonna switch. 2 plus 9 is 11 and 110 plus 9 is 119. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 106. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 15 is 75. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 with 13 is 123. 3 plus 9 is 12. 120 plus 11 is 120 plus 1 is 121. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 80 plus 11 is 91. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 85. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 108. 6 plus 8 is 13. No, 14. 14 plus 7 is 147. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 105. Let's take another minute to finish it off. or no, I'll just do one more question because we have other things to do. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 148, right? So we are done with this. I'm going to pause it. We did 40 questions and we took 4 minutes to do that. So that's, I believe, a good speed, right? So now let's do a little bit of number operations. We haven't gone here yet. So we'll do a little bit of, sorry, we'll do a little bit of calculations. So the format which we are going to follow is going to be BODMAS, and I'll try to solve a lot of things verbally, but then also I would recommend that you still do it on paper first. Okay, 15 into 19, 15 into 20 is 300. 300 minus 15 is going to be 285, minus 12 nines are 108. 108. Now this has to be subtracted. 15 minus 8 is 7. This is going to remain 7, and this is going to be 177, right? Yep, that was right. So simple addition and subtraction, with 18 and 17 being very close, with 18 and 17 being very close, I can see that there is a small difference of plus 1. The difference is plus 1, and plus 1 and 9 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Similarly, in BODMAS, we'll have to do the multiplication first. 11 plus 19 is gonna be 209. 209 is going to be of minus sign, or 209 is going to be of minus sign. Then we have a plus 17 and a plus 5. So it's going to be a plus 22. It's going to be a plus 22. I have to subtract both of them. So 187 is going to be my answer. No? What went wrong? My goodness. Let me check it one more time. 11 into 19, that is 99, and 1 goes there. 11 ones are 11. This is 209. In 209, this is that of negative. It's a negative number. And 17 plus 5 is going to be 22, right? It's going to be 22. So let's consider it. This is a minus. There has to be a subtraction. And 187. Why? Oh, it's not 187. It's minus 187. See, that was the mistake that we were committing. Okay, that was the mistake that we were committing. Now, 15 divided by 6, 15 divided by 16, first, and then into 11, and then into 4. Here, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 11 into 15 is 165, 165 upon 4. So it's gonna be 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, and we have 0.25. So the answer might be 41.3 or 41.2. Okay, 41.2. We're gonna check it. 41.3. We're gonna check that. 41.25. Yeah, that was correct. Okay, moving forward. 8 divided by 3 divided by 11 plus 8. 8 divided by 3 and divided by 11. So we're gonna go in this mode. 8 divided by 3 divided by 11 plus 8. Okay, so 8 divided by 3, then divided by 11 plus 8, right? So again 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 by 11 plus 8. This is gonna be 33. 8 upon 33 plus 8. Here we're gonna take 8 common and gonna write 34 upon 33, right? We're gonna get 1.01, yeah, or 1.03 for that matter. 1.03 into 8, so it's gonna be 8.24, right? So my answer would be 8.24, right? That was correct. Got it? Moving forward, 9 by 13 minus 19 minus 3. Okay, minus 19 and minus 3 would become minus 22, and I'm gonna get 9 by 13 over here. I can first solve 9 by 13. 13 sevens are 91. So I can put it as 0.67 minus 0.67 minus 22. So it's gonna be minus 21.33, right? So minus 21.33 would be the answer. Minus 21.3. I'll enter that. Again, minus 21.4. Okay, the time we just ran out of time. We won't be able to do the same question again. That's something for sure. But what we'll do is we'll switch to another task. So the simplification part is a little tricky. And so I would ask you to be really careful while doing that. Let's go for the unit digit thing because this is very, very interesting. So we just need to find out the unit digit of the output that is going to come. So 3 5s are 15. So the unit digit is going to be this. In such questions, you just have to multiply the last two digits. Okay, 94 into 78. So 4 into 8 is going to be give me a 32. So I'll focus only on 2 and write a 2 here and move ahead. Then in the table of 19 or 1102, I have to divide it by 19. So 19 5s is 95. 19 6s is 114. So I'm going to stick with 95 and focus on 152. Right? Yeah, we're going to focus on 152. So 8s are. So I think 8 would be the correct answer. Yeah, 58. Yeah, that was the correct answer. Moving ahead, 1950 divided by 78. 13 6 is 78, 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65. So this is going to go at 25. So 5 is the unit digit. Similarly, 1624 divided by 56. 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16, 203, 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63. Okay, 7 9s are 63. I can see a trick which is evolving, that what needs to be multiplied by 6 to give a 4. So 9 6 are 54, right? 9 6 are 54. So that is a better way of solving things. So we can employ that in the upcoming questions, right? So 4 6 are 24. No, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So I think 4 multiplied by 4 will give me a 6 in the unit digit. Shall we try that? Yeah. No, that was the wrong approach. Let's try this approach. 2 2 5 6. Let's follow the conventional approach. See, any question might take you 10 seconds longer. Okay, any question might take you 10 seconds longer, but we cannot expect a wrong solution coming out in the exam. Okay, but we're going to use big tables to solve things here. Let's use the table of 24. 24 ones are 24. 24 nines are 240 minus 24. 240 minus 24, it's going to be 216. 216, then we have a 96. 24 fours are 96. So we'll get 94 over here. Right? So that was correct. 1520 upon 16. 16 16 nines are is 144. Then another 80. 16 fives are 80. So it's gonna go at 95. Similarly, 3 twos are 6. The unit digit is gonna be 6. 5 threes are 15. Unit digit is gonna be 5. 2 ones are 2. Unit digit is gonna be 2. 3 ones are 3. The unit digit is gonna be 3. 5. See, whenever you see 8 2 4 5 divided by 97, so whenever you see a 5 in the unit digit, there is a good possibility that the denominator must be multiplied by something ending in 5. Then only something with the unit digit of 5 appeared. So I'm going to blindly put 5 here and give it a go ahead, and I was correct. Okay, simple. 460 divided by 10, it's going to be a 46. 9 into 1 is going to be 9. 2 into 4 is going to be 8. 0, 0, 7, what? 70. I think 0 is going to be the answer. The answer is yes. Then 6 is going to be divided by 6. Let me see. Let me see. If I need 1376 divided by 86, I'll have to use smaller tables here because we don't have that much scope. It's going to go with the table of 43, but let's go with the smaller tables. Okay, 43, then 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16, 43 ones are 43, this is 43 ones are, and 6 are. So 6 is going to be the answer. 3 5s are 15, so this is going to be 5. Anything which is divided, I think the question was 1871 divided by 98 or something, or 1878 divided by 91. I could see with the unit digit that 8 would have to be multiplied here, then only I'll be able to create the same unit digit. So the answer to the last question was 8. Okay, let me go back. And let's check for remainders. Okay, let's check for remainders. 668 divided by 34. 34 2 is 34 twos are 68, so we won't be able to do that. I'll take 34 here and give you a 32. 328. Talking about 9, yeah, 9 times 9 fours are 36, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 3 is 30, so 306 we have, and then we'll get a remainder of 2 and another 2. The remainder is going to be 22. Then 166 divided by 23. 23 fives are no 6 7 sevens are. I think sevens are is going to be really helpful. 7 twos are 7 threes are 21, 7 twos are 14, 14, this is 16. I'll get 5 as my remainder. Okay, 840 divided by 640 divided by 84. 84 fives are 6 are 6 7. Yeah, 7 is going to be good. 7 fours are 28, 7 eights are 56. 7 fours are 28, 7 eights are 56. 56, this is going to be 588, and I'm going to get a 2 here. This is going to be a 5 here. Is there a scope for 152? No, there's no scope for 152. No, if I get a 12 from here and another 40, it becomes 52. Yeah, so 52 is my remainder. Okay, similarly 264 with 34, 7, yeah, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21, 238. In 238 we're going to get a 6 here and we're going to get a 2 here, so 26 is going to be the remainder. Okay, I'm going to pause this task because it's getting a little irrelevant for the exam. No, I won't say irrelevant, but rather it's going in a direction which we really don't wish to check out, because in the exam we get questions which are usually one digit questions, and we get a few tricks to apply. Here we were doing a lot of mechanical things. So that's why I chose to switch to some other things. Now, in square roots, we will definitely find questions which are easier, like this and like this and like this, but we might get stuck at something like this. So what will happen is that we have to split things up. Okay, let's assume that this was 2784. Let's simply assume that this was 2784. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to break things into pairs of 2. We'll have to break things into pairs of 2. How would we take things forward then? So we have a 07 over here and we have an 84 over here. So it got broken into pairs of 2. With the help of the unit digit, I'm going to predict what is going to be the unit digit of my answer. Because we have a 4 in the end, that can be received with the help of 2. 2 square is 4, or 8 square is 64. So it might be 2 or it might be 8. Okay, further I need to check which square is falling before 7. So I have a 1 square which is falling before 7, a 2 square is also falling before 7, a 3 square is not falling before 7 because 3 square is equal to 9. So my answer is either going to be 22 or my answer is going to be either 28. Okay, my answer is either going to be 22 or my answer is going to either be 28. Then I have to say one thing, that the 2 which I have chosen, the 2 which I have chosen, if I multiply it with its next digit, which is 3, the answer is going to be 6. And 6 is still less than the original digit which I require. Okay, 6 is still less than the original digit which I require. If the original digit is more than the digit which I discovered, then I have to choose the answer which was bigger. So 28 is going to be my answer. This might seem to be a very lousy trick, but trust me, this is going to help you immensely in the exam. I'll take another example and help you with it. Okay, I'll now look for a bigger example and I'll help you with that. 3900 is simply 30, 289 is 17. I'm waiting for a big example, okay? Let me just do that. Let's try it with 576 itself. With 576, okay? For the ones who don't know what the square root of 576 is, the answer is definitely 24. But before marking that, I'm going to validate the trick which I talked about. In terms of 76, there are two ways of getting a 6 in the end. We can either go for 4 square, which is 16, or 6 square, which is 36. So I have two options of getting my unit digit. I have two options of getting my unit digit. Here I'm going to look for the ones digit. The ones digit is definitely going to be either 1 or 2. It can't be more than that. Here I'm going to choose 2. Okay. Here I'm going to choose 2. It's either 24 or it is 26. Here I have to multiply it with the next digit which comes in the counting series. So 2 3s are 6. Now this 6 is not greater than the original digit 5 that we were talking about. That is why we are going to choose the answer which is lower. So 24 is the answer. It might not seem very relevant for 2-digit numbers, but trust me, when it goes to a 4-digit number or a 3-digit number, this trick comes in very, very handy. Okay, 256, 16, 676 is 26, 729. I think we should go for this. The answer is 27, but we should go for the trick here. I'll quickly do the trick in front of you. 729, unit digit, either 3 or 7. I have a 7. It's definitely going to be 2. So 2 into 3 is going to be 6. 2 and 3 is going to be 6. 6 is less than 7, the digit in consideration. So I'm going to use the bigger one. So 27 is my definite answer, right? This is going to be 2. 484, this is going to be 22. 36 is going to be 6. This is going to be 21. This is going to be 12. 324, this is going to be 18. This is going to be 8. This is going to be 10. 25, this is going to be 5. 16, this is going to be 4. 625 is 25. 196 is 200. No, this is going to be 16. My goodness. 196. This was a definite 14. Okay, 14 was the root of 196. Sometimes you get zoned out, so we did 24 questions in 5 minutes, and that's not a very good speed, but definitely not a bad speed. But in the beginning itself, I told you that I will be taking things slow today. Okay. Let's go for a little bit of LCM maybe, or some arithmetic operations. We can go for simple percentage questions as well. 4 5s are 20, 2 above, 4 5s are 20, another 2, 4 5s are 20, another 2. Okay, so this is going to be a triple 2, triple 2, right? 50 of this is going to be 202. I'm simply dividing by 2. 80 of this is going to be 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 256. Right? You simply multiply 8 with 32. The two zeros are gonna get cancelled because of the percentage sign. Okay, when I say 80% of 320, Whenever you get a percentage sign, you put 100 in the denominator and let the things in the numerator get multiplied. The two zeros are gonna get cancelled. 8 2 is a 16, 8 3 is a 24. This is 256. Good enough. 20% of this, I can either take it this way. I can either take it this way. Just let me clean the slide, okay? I can take it either take it this way, that 20% of 395. I can multiply it by 5 and divide by 5. The 20% becomes 100%, so I don't need to consider it anymore. So 395 divided by 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 nines are 45. So 79 is the outcome. 40% of 85, which is, if 85 is multiplied by 2, 85 is multiplied by 2, we get a 70, 170. When 170 is multiplied by 2, we get a 340. So basically 340 is my answer, right? 20% of 34, it's going to be 68, and 50. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. This is going to be 274. Okay, 274. Okay, good enough. I think we are good to go. We are good for the day, and you may come in and do your best in this particular exercise, right? Thank you.